Is this time different for Bitcoin? Will Bitcoin top earlier than expected? Well, in light of the abnormal BTC price behavior in the recent weeks, some onlookers, some analysts believe that in this cycle, the Bitcoin bull market top could come a lot earlier than usual, earlier than late 25, maybe even late 24. Does this mean our selling plans are going to go out the window? Well, let's get to grips with the exciting new situation and investigate this theory and also look at a promising indicator that could give us a clue on when to sell. It does have very high historical accuracy, by the way. So let's get it. Previous Bitcoin cycles have run almost like clockwork so far. Looking at how much time it takes to break the previous all-time high, we see 25 and 23 months respectively. But this time, it appears that the cycle is acting differently. And I'll come back to the likely reason for that in a minute. We're only 16 months after the November 2021 69K all-time high and have already been kissing it just a little bit, although we haven't had a big conclusive breakthrough at the time of recording this video. That mega monster candle, maybe by the time you watch this, we'll have had, assuming, of course, that it's not going to be just up forever and that there will come a bear market at some point. In that scenario, when can we expect the top of this bull market? Well, in previous cycles, the top came roughly 500 days after the Bitcoin halving. Translated to the current cycle, this would put us roughly September 2025 for the bull market top. The pressing question now becomes, if the new all-time high has come ahead of schedule, then will the bull market peak also come ahead of schedule? If so, this would make the current cycle an accelerated cycle or a left-handed cycle with an earlier peak than tradition would have it, and earlier than most people would anticipate, thus catching most of the market with their pants down. The first real sign of the current acceleration we saw in mid-February when BTC blew past a level that in previous cycles has acted as a multi-month resistance level. This was the level around $48,000, which is the 0.618 Fibonacci level on the scale from the bull market top to the bear market low. In previous cycles, it has taken quite a while after the halving to break this 0.618 level. Markets have traditionally wrestled with it half a year or longer post Bitcoin halving, but not now. This time, it really is different, at least for that.